So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So welcome to Spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain, spoken English trainer and tutor. Okay. So let's start our today's video or today's topic. Actually, today we have surprise for you. We are starting a new series. For our series name is Believe and Speak. So just we have covered recently a series rapid fire round. Okay, and this type of series again we are starting today. So actually we have some topics on the form of cheats. Okay, so in the box we have some topics. So one by one I will call every student. Okay, every and each student. So you have to come here and choose your topic, and if you are any doubt, so you can choose another topic. Okay, so you have two option, means you have means you can choose two topics first, but if you choose a first topic, so you cannot choose another topic. But if you not choose first topic, so you can choose second one topic. So you have to present on the topic on second one, so you cannot able to present first one. Right now मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आप पहला टॉपिक इसमें से चूज कर रहे हो, अगर आपने फर्स्ट इसमें से क्या चूज की, कोई भी एक आपने इसमें से कोई पर्ची आपने निकाली, वो आपने इसमें से चूज की और उस पर्ची पे आपका टॉपिक पे कमांड नहीं है, तो आपके पास एक ऑप्शन है कि आप सेकंड टॉपिक इसमें से चूज कर पाएंगे और उस पर आप क्या कर पाएंगे, अच्छे तरीके से अगर आपको आता है तो बोल पाएंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन आपको ऐसा है कि अगर फर्स्ट वाला टॉपिक भी नहीं आ रहा है और हो सकता है कि फर्स्ट वाला आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा हो, आप सेकंड टॉपिक के ओर जा रहे हो, तो हो सकता है कि सेकंड वाला टॉपिक आपको बिल्कुल भी ना आ रहा हो, तो फिर आपको फर्स्ट टॉपिक चूज करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा. आपकी मतलब अगर जो आपकी स्लिप में आएगा वही आपको चूज करने का मौका मिलेगा. तो वन बाय वन करके हम इस राउंड को स्टार्ट करेंगे. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज रहने वाली है. सीरीज का नाम क्या है? बिलीव एंड स्पीक. सो आई विल कॉल वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट आई एम कॉलिंग आयुष मिस्त्री. सो आयुष, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस सीरीज बाय आयुष. ओके, सो वी हैव एन बॉक्स एंड इस बॉक्स में कई सारी क्या है, स्लिप्स हैं, और उन स्लिप्स पे कई सारे टॉपिक्स के क्या लिखे हुए हैं, नेम लिखे हुए हैं. तो आपको सबसे पहले कोई भी एक स्लिप चूज करनी है. अगर आप उस स्लिप को चूज करके उस टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करते हो तो दैट्स गुड. अदरवाइज आपके पास एक ऑप्शन और है, आप उस स्लिप को एज इट इज उसमें क्लोज करके सेकंड स्लिप चूज कर सकते हो. अगर सेकंड स्लिप का आपको टॉपिक आता है तो आप बोल सकते हो, अदरवाइज आपको दोनों टॉपिक नहीं आ रहे हैं तो आप अपने घर वापस जा सकते हो. मीन्स यू कैन गो बैक टू योर सीट. ओके, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग बाय आयुष फर्स्ट. ओके आयुष, सो यू हैव टू चूज अ स्लिप, फर्स्ट स्लिप. So Ayush, first topic is
Smartphone.
smartphone. Yes, please come here. So,
So-
do you want to continue with this topic or do you want to change your topic?
Sir, I want to continue this topic.
Okay. So Ayush is not taking any kind of risk. Ayush is continuing with first topic. First topic name is smartphone. Okay. So Ayush, you can start now.
So as we know that my topic is smartphone. So let us start my topic. So smartphone are used in a many ways. Smartphone are helpful to all the students, and nowadays all people use smartphone in their daily life, and also useful for teachers, businessmen. That we can also see that that smartphone is also helpful for business in the smart markets, and some people are trying to make videos with the help of a smartphone, that they can earn money. Smartphones also help the students in making many diagrams, in clearing some questions and problems. So nowadays, as we know, that a smartphone, new features are available in the Play Store of the smartphones, that you can do to make a proper practice sheet, and that you can use it for many things, that you can even learn it for your use, and even learn to earn money. People who is in the school use smartphone to sometimes to capture something, and to make some diagram and to send messages. We also get also get many things from smartphones. Like smartphones is also called the miniature version of computer. There is almost everything in a small thing. In a small thing, smartphone are nowadays smartphone are used in the world wide world. Thank you.
Okay, so Ayush, you have performed very well in the first. Okay, so next I am inviting Kus. So Kus, please come on the stage. Okay, so Kus, you have to choose one slip. Okay. What is your topic?
Shopping.
Shopping. So Kus topic is shopping. So do you want to continue with this topic or do you want to change? Okay, Kus is also want to continue this topic. Okay, Kus, you can continue.
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kusao and today I am representing my topic on shopping. So nowadays shopping is very important for everyone, and there are many things to shop like like clothes, and many things. There shopping so there are many resources by which we can shopping that we can shop on online mobile, and we can also go to mall and etc. Shopping is most important. Shopping is most shopping is most beautiful to our women's, and they they want to shop like sarees and many more clothes. The pu- the men's only want to shop useful things that make it their useful. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Kus has performed well, just like performed good, not we can say good. Okay, next I am inviting Tejal. So Tejal, please come on the stage. Just you have to choose one slip. What's your topic?
India. My topic is India.
So do you want to continue with this topic or do you want to change?
I want to continue.
Okay, so Tejal want to continue and Tejal's topic is India.
So, hello everyone, I am Tejil and today I am presenting the topic that is India. So, first of all, let me tell you that what is India? India is a place which is which has so many cultures, and if we talk about the festivals of India, the festival have so many festivals, and the people of India celebrate festivals with joy and happiness, and they come together and celebrate festivals. And if I talk about the culture of India, so the culture of India is so nice, and there are so many cultures in India. And if I talk about of tradition in India, so the tradition of India is so collective, and in so many places tradition is going on. And if I talk about the studies in India, so in India the well studies are going on, but if we talk about another countries, so there are much better facilities related to studies, but yeah, India is working on that. And India have so many religions like Hindu, Buddhism, Jainism, Muslims, Sikhism, and so many more. And if I talk about Hindu religion, so so many gods are there, and in India so many people are there who are Hindus. And if I talk about the places of India, so we can visit so many places in India, and one of the seven wonder is also in our India, Taj Mahal. And if we want to visit a national place, like we can go to Red Fort, India Gate, and etc.
Tejal has performed well. Okay, Tejal. Next I am inviting Shrey. Shrey, please come on the stage. So you have to come one by one. Okay. So if you are watching this video, so please do like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. And please please comment the name of the students you like the speech. Okay, most. Okay. So Shrey, what's your topic? Books. Okay. So do you want to continue with your topic?
Yes, sir.
So Shrey is already scared. So Shrey want to continue with the topic book because book is so small topic for Shrey. So easy topic for Shrey. Okay, Shrey. You want to continue? So you can continue. Okay.
So hello everyone, I am Shrijan and today I am here to present a topic on books. So we all know that books is a very good and valuable thing for a student, and student can understand the value of book, and in book there are many vocabulary to understand, and in book we can get a great knowledge. By this we can become a educated person, and with the help of book we can strong our memory. It's also help us in our accuracy also, and by book we can also maintain our skills, our personality also, because some books related to personality and skills. And if we see mostly books found in library, we can see different books for different person related. So there are many books come for like historicals book, related to sports, related to news, and related to time, and many more. And some books are very funny like comics. And books is also, we can say that we can do as a time pass. In the sense means we, with the help of book we can do time pass, and it is very good for us. Thank you, that's all.
Okay. So Shrey has done. Okay. Next I am inviting Samyak Jain. Samyak, please come on the stage. You have to come one by one. Okay. So just Samyak. So are you enjoying this series? Yes. Okay. So if you are enjoying this series, so actually we will continue this series because actually अगर इस series पे हमारे 1000 प्लस क्या आते हैं, व्यूज आते हैं और 100 प्लस लाइक्स आते हैं, तो इस सीरीज को हम कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं. ओके. तो आप लोगों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना है. ओके. ओके सम्यक. Your topic is
Success.
success. Okay, so do you want to continue with this topic or do you want to change? Please continue. Okay.
Hi, I am Samyak Jain. Today my topic is success. Okay, success is very important for every person, because without success they can't do nothing. They can't do anything in their life, because success is the thing that give us many things, just like our basic needs, and many more. And success give us respect, and without success many people without success many people just like that's all about my topic.
Okay. Next I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. Please come on the stage. So many students are not in the class. Harshit Yadav. Okay. So Harshit, you can choose. Okay. Harshit, what's your topic name?
Diwali.
So do you want to continue with this topic or do you want to change it?
I want to continue.
Okay.
So let us start my topic. So my topic is Diwali. So we all know that Diwali is the Hindu festival, and so many other religions also celebrated this festival. Now I will tell you about this festival. So in this festivals, the persons enjoy with an enthusiasm, and with all the religions, that they wear new clothes, they clean their homes, and they decorate their homes, and some mothers make sweets sweets for their children, and children mostly enjoy this festival, because in this festival they can burn the crackers, and they enjoy a lot in this festival. This is known as for the festival of peace and the devotees, and so many devotees worship the Lord Lakshmi on this festival, and the Lord Ganesh also, and they celebrated this festival with full joyness, and this festival falls on mostly on October and November, and after this festival there is also some festivals like Govardhan and all. This is really a best festival in all the festivals of Hindus, I think, and it's also my favorite festival. Thank you.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Christy. So please, Christy, please come on the stage. Yes, come here. Okay. What's your topic, Christy?
Education.
Okay. So do you want to continue with education or do you want to change it?
So I want to continue.
Okay.
So hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. I am Christy, and today I am telling about the topic education. Education is a very nice topic to tell about it, and now I am gonna share you my point of views. The thing we are doing is the education, because we are learning new things from it, and education is very important for everyone, because everyone wants success, and they want to achieve their target too. And education is not the thing that we take it only and remind it. It's about learning new things too. We learn new things in education, and it is very important for all of us, because we all want to become something, and make name of our parents, and just like some people want to become doctors, some just like some people want to become IAS officer, just like I want to become an IAS officer. So I have to concentrate, and I need to be educated, because we just like when education we went other places, and there are, just like we went to other country for some work, and we need education there, because not all the things work like just as in our country work. And education is very important for everything. Just like we are studying in school, just like classes, and for the exams, for normal, and education should be very equal, and some students cannot get education, so there are government school, so that they can go there. And it is not that then the people who are poor, they cannot be educated. If they will focus and concentrate, so they can also be educated. Thank you.
Okay, good. Next, I am inviting Arnav. Please come on the stage. Yes, please come fast. Yes, you have to choose one topic. Okay, Arnav, what's your topic?
School life.
So, do you want to continue with this topic or change it?
Continue.
Okay.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. I am here to present a topic on school life. So, school life is very important, and in school we are going to study, and in school there are many friends and we enjoy, and in lunchtime we do parties in school, like small parties, and in school there is success, and we learn in school yes sir.
Arnav has no more points. Okay, next I am inviting Garb. Please come on the stage. Yes, actually in this video and performance of this video, I will announce the result in the next video. Okay, so actually means how many students qualify this round 1. Okay, 4 next. Okay, Garb, your topic. What's your topic? Sunday. So do you want to with do you continue with Sunday?
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a topic of Sunday. Sunday is a best day because we at this day is our holiday and we making enjoy and we watch the TV and we make the party and we go to our friend and visit to many places and we make the drawing stage and our time we stayed this day we rest to our home and all pupils like this Sunday and I like this.
Okay. Next I am inviting Paridhi. Paridhi, please come on the stage. So you have to choose. What's your topic? Smart board. So do you want to continue with this topic or change it? Okay.
So good evening to all of you. I am Paridhi. So today I am here to present our topic on smart board. So smart boards are very common in our life because so many tuitions have smart boards, and like in our tuition, the first smart board of Bhitarwar. So it's a very good opportunity for us because so many students have come to our coaching and smarts with the help of with the help of smart boards we can learn many things on smart boards we can play videos and learn by that videos, and by smart board the study becomes joyful and very beautiful. And smart boards, there are many things in smart boards like it's like a smartphone because the all things of a smartphone are on the smart board, and so many schools also have smart boards, and but sometimes the children distract with smart boards because sometimes when they see some videos, so they don't focus on the talks what they are saying, and they talk only. So mostly in the cities, all the tuitions and the schools have smart boards. That's all about from.
Okay. Paridhi, good. Next I am inviting Ishika. Ishika, please come on the stage. Yes. You have to choose. What's good habits versus bad habits? Okay. So do you want to continue with this topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Ishika. Today I am here to present a topic on good habit versus bad habit. So first I am telling about the good habit. Good habit is very necessary for everyone because we can impress anyone with the help of good habit. Good habit like taking bath daily, talk properly, give respect to elder, and etc. And it is very necessary for everyone. Now I'm telling about the bad habit. Bad habit is very bad for everyone. A bad habit like abusing and chew our nails, don't give respect to elders, and etc. Good habit is good habit. All persons have good habit. If anyone have not good habit, so
anyone don't give respect to a person that have a bad habit. Thank you.
Next, I'm inviting Shivans. Please come on the stage. Please come fast. Yes. Yes, this has done to change this. ये भी हो गया है, just actually so many topics has done already actually. Okay, this is yeah, choose next one. Okay, actually 3 topics has already done, so that's why I have changed. Okay, yes, no, believe is not done, so your first topic is believe. So do you want to continue with believe?
Yes, I continue. My name is Shivansh Lakshkar and my topic is believe. Believe is a very important for everyone, because without believe yourself, without believe yourself, we didn't do anything, because we can't do anything, because we do work, and we don't believe believe yourself, we think I don't do this, and you do not this work, and we believe yourself, we do this do this work, and many people believe yourself, and some people are can't believe yourself, because he is scared with, and and like stage, and many people believe yourself, and they speak in stage, in full person, and some people didn't believe, and didn't believe yourself, and they cannot speak in stage, because they are feared. Thank you.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Divyansh Rawat. Please come on the stage. Divyansh, please come fast. So, how many students have left? Aradhya, Shumit, Yasraj, and Divyansh. Okay, Divyansh. Manvi also. Just remote car. So, do you want to continue with this topic? Remote car? Okay.
So first of all, good evening everyone. So today I am a Divyansh. Our today's topic is remote car. So remote car just like our toy that is important for student, and student is also play this and enjoy this, and we have so many types of remote car, and defense car, like that car that have 2 types, like that convert into robot, so that's good, and remote, and all student is also enjoy this in our childhood, and that's good, and this is connected by remote, and this is, and we have to need a battery to start this, because without battery they cannot work. So that's all on my topic.
Next, I am inviting Manvi. Please come on the stage, Manvi. Yes, choose. So Manvi's topic is digital class. Do you want to continue with this topic or change it? Okay. So everyone is scared with the second topic. So actually, all the persons, all the students continue with the first topic. Okay. All the topics are easy.
So hello everyone, I am Manvi Shishodya. Today I am here to present a topic which is digital class. So digital class, like in digital class, everything is digital, like smart boards, smart things like cameras. In digital class, the tutors and the trainers provide knowledge with some digital things. So digital class is very important nowadays, because nowadays everything is digital. In our life, digital class is very necessary to us, because by digital class we can learn things very easily. Digital class nowadays every coaching and every school provides digital classes. Thank you, that's all from me. And even I am also study by digital class. That's all.
Okay. Next, Aradhya, please come on the stage. What's your topic? Good feelings. So do you want to continue with this topic or change it?
Yes,
Okay, good feelings. Continue.
So, good evening everyone. I am Aradhya and today I am going to present my topic, which is good feelings. So, good feelings are which we are having good feelings and bad feelings also. Both we are having in in ourselves. The good feelings are like we are having respect for everyone in our mind. We are not even thinking of abusing, and if we see anyone abusing or disrespecting someone, so the people who are having good feeling go and stop them, because they are having good feelings and they know that these things are not for us who are good. And nowadays the small child are also abusing and also having bad feelings. So the people who are having good feelings, like their elders, taught them that do not carry these kind of bad feelings with along with you. You cannot abuse to someone, because he is also a human and you are also a human. So this kind of good feelings are helping in our daily life, because if we are having good feeling to everyone is giving respect to us, everyone is believing us, and no one is making fun of you, like this is not a person who is having good feelings. The person who is having good feelings are being comfort to everyone, and no one is being very uncomfort with them, because they are having good feelings. So if we are having good feelings, so we are a good person. That's all.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Yasraj. Please come on the stage. What's your topic?
Favorite place.
Favorite place. Favorite place. So do you want to continue with this topic or change it?
I want to say
Okay, change it. So what's your topic right now? So you have to continue with this topic. So your topic is Sambhav Smart Classes. It's our academic institution name. Okay.
So, good evening, all of you and respected sir. I am Yashar Yadav and I am here to present our topic, as you know, summer smart classes. So let's start my topic. So I want to tell something about summer smart classes. The tutor or sir of summer smart classes is Sambhav sir, and he taught me very much thing. And the summer smart classes is present in Bitarwar, Madhya Pradesh, and it is very good coaching. It is a smart class with some facilities, and also the tutor of this coaching, the Sambhav sir taught the students with very good behavior and good language. They also see the personality of all the students, and many students come on this coaching. And there are three three batches of this coaching. The first batch is for weak students. That is English. That is English batch for weak students. And next is the subject batch for the students. They can learn the subject and give the test. And the third batch is of advanced student, that they know the tense, models, and etc. And the third batch taught us many things, like we are giving presentation in this batch is third batch. And this very good coaching, the teacher of this coaching, the Sambhav sir, taught very good. According to me, they taught me in a year very much thing, and I learn very much thing, and I also improve my personality, and this is also a personality developing coaching. That's all.
Very good. Yes, Raj. Next, I am inviting Shumit. Balloon. So, do you want to change? Okay, change. This has done already. Okay. Yeah, this is also done. You have to change. Last. Okay. Your topic is monsoon.
Hello all of you, I am Sumit Rawat from 8th standard. Today I want to present a speech of 8th standard. Monsoon. Monsoon is a very famous weather in months. In monsoon is a farming of rice. In the monsoon is in other name of rainy. Monsoon is a 7 words of name. In monsoon is not sunny day. Monsoon is a cloudy and cool day in visit and walking in morning. In monsoon is a like in all persons. That's all.
Okay, last I am inviting Purvi, the very small student of the class. Okay, so Purvi, please come on the stage. So you have to choose one topic. So Delhi. So do you want to change or do you want to continue? Okay, so you have an idea about Delhi? Okay.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Purvi Soni. So today my topic is Delhi. Delhi is our India capital, and many places to visit in Delhi, like Red Fort and many more. And Delhi is very famous place in India, and many things to shopping and many things to visit, like Chor Bazaar, etc. and the Parliament House, etc. That's all.
That's all. So we have completed this first round. Actually, some students are absent today. Okay. Actually, we will announce the result of this first round in the next video. Okay. So please stay tuned with us, and if you like this video, so please comment it, means which speech is very good. Okay. So just comment, share, and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned with us. We will continue this topic with this series if you will complete the 100 like and 1000 views. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's complete it. Okay, goodbye.